Un quiz sur les mains?
Il se réjouit. Il est paresseux. Il a participé au travail. Il décline toute responsabilité. Il est généreux. Et plus. For each sentence, find the right expression with the word.
Main. Allez-y, prenez la main.
Par exemple, prenez la main veut dire prenez le contrôle. Commencez le quiz. Prenez la main.
Et c'est parti.
Participer au travail?
Join in the work.
Il a participé au travail. On dit. Il a levé la main?
He raised his hand.
Il s'est occupé la main?
He kept his hand busy.
Il a mis la main à la pâte?
He put his hand to the dough.
9 secondes pour choisir.
Il a mis la main à la pâte. Surmonter sa peur?
Overcoming fear.
Il surmonte sa peur. On dit. Ses mains ne tremblent plus?
His hands no longer tremble.
Il prend son courage à deux mains?
He takes his courage in both hands.
Il sort la main du gant?
He takes his hand out of the glove.
9 secondes pour choisir.
Il prend son courage à deux mains. Être généreux?
Being generous.
Il est généreux. On dit. Il distribue des deux mains?
He distribute with both hands.
Il a une main qui donne?
He has a giving hand.
Il a le cœur sur la main?
He has his heart on his hand.
9 secondes pour choisir.
Il a le cœur sur la main. Sans intermédiaire?
Without an intermediary.
Il l'a acheté sans intermédiaire. On dit. Il l'a acheté d'une main?
He bought it from one hand.
Il l'a acheté de la main à la main?
He bought it from hand to hand.
Il l'a eu les mains pleines?
He got it his hands full.
9 secondes pour choisir.
Il l'a acheté de la main à la main. Être paresseux?
Being lazy.
Il est paresseux. On dit. Il a un poil dans la main?
He has a hair in his hand.
Il garde les mains dans les poches?
He keeps his hands in his pockets.
Il ne suce pas les mains?
He doesn't wear his hands out.
9 secondes pour choisir.
Il a un poil dans la main. Prendre en flagrant délit?
Catch in the act.
On l'a pris en flagrant délit. On dit. On a attrapé la main qui vole?
We caught the stealing hand.
On l'a pris la main pleine?
We caught him his hand full.
On l'a pris la main dans le sac?
We caught him his hand in the bag.
9 secondes pour choisir.
On l'a pris la main dans le sac. Savoir entretenir les plantes?
Knowing how to care for plants.
Il sait entretenir les plantes. On dit. Il a une main de jardinier?
He has a gardener's hand.
Il a la main verte?
He has a green hand.
Il a les mains dans les plantes?
He gets his hands in the plants.
9 secondes pour choisir.
Il a la main verte. Affirmer de façon certaine?
Assert very confidently.
Il est certain de ce qu'il affirme. On dit. Il en mettrait sa main au feu?
He would put his hand in the fire.
Il parierait sa main?
He would bet his hand.
Il a la main ferme?
He has a steady hand.
9 secondes pour choisir.
Il en mettrait sa main au feu. Décliner toute responsabilité?
Disclaim any responsibility?
Il décline toute responsabilité. On dit. Il s'en lave les mains?
He washes his hands of it?
Il montre ses mains vides?
He shows his empty hands?
Il cache sa main.
He hides his hand?
9 secondes pour choisir.
Il s'en lave les mains. Remettre directement au destinataire?
Deliver directly to the addressee?
Il remet directement au destinataire. On dit. Il lui remet à pleine main?
He gives him with full hand?
Il lui remet en main propre?
He gives him in his own hands?
Il lui jette dans les mains?
He throws it in his hands?
9 secondes pour choisir.
Il lui remet en main propre. Avec dextérité?
With skill?
Il agit avec dextérité. On dit. Il agit du bout de ses mains?
He acts with the tips of his hands?
Il agit de main de maître?
He acts with the hand of a master?
Il agit de main experte?
He acts with expert hands?
9 secondes pour choisir.
Il agit de main de maître. Se réjouir?
To rejoice?
Il se réjouit. On dit. Il ouvre les mains?
He opens his hands?
Il tape des mains?
He claps hands?
Il se frotte les mains?
He rubs his hands?
9 secondes pour choisir.
Il se frotte les mains. Aider?
Helping?
Il aide quelqu'un. On dit. Il agrippe sa main?
He grips his hand?
Il prête main forte?
He lends a strong hand?
Il guide sa main?
He guides his hand?
9 secondes pour choisir.
Il prête main forte. Contraindre une personne contre sa volonté?
To compel a person against their will?
On contraint une personne. On dit. On lui force la main?
They are forcing his hand?
On lui ouvre la main?
They open his hand?
On lui tord la main?
They are twisting his hand?
9 secondes pour choisir.
On lui force la main.
Hello. Did you do well? I hope you enjoyed this video. Try another one, and subscribe to my channel.